Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to tell you which gifts I got from my boyfriend for our 6th anniversary yesterday, and those are perfumes. Surprise, surprise. But actually these are not niche ones but designers, so I think I surprised you because you know I'm a niche girl, I'm crazy about indie perfumery, so normally I would go for something niche, expensive, something that I have been dreaming about, and that was my plan. But then recently I fell in love with 2 designer perfumes and that doesn't happen often, so I thought, why not? So I told my boyfriend which perfumes I want to get because I'm like Rachel from Friends, you know, I make list of gifts that I want to receive, because if you will give me something I'm not crazy about, I won't be that satisfied, so I kind of make life easier and just tell what I want. So my boyfriend got me 2 perfumes and an extra present. I'm excited to tell you about them. So first of all, I got Mon Guerlain by Guerlain, and it has been around for a while, but first time I smelled it I didn't really love it that much. I was excited about it because the face of this perfume was Angelina Jolie, who I admire. She's so beautiful and I love the notes very much, but I was hoping to get more lavender, and a few years ago as I smelled it I was not liking it because I didn't get the lavender I wanted. But then recently I just sprayed on my skin. I don't know why, I actually grabbed it in the store and I got the lavender I always wanted, because I love lavender in the perfumes very much, but in a lot of times it smells old-fashioned, classy, fougere, manly, and I don't like that feeling. That's why I don't have a favorite lavender perfume until Mon Guerlain. It is beautiful vanillic powdery perfume with this unique note of lavender, which is feminine, which is soft, yet it is noticeable, and it has amazing sweet sensual dry down. This perfume is literally made in the Kruger Long style, which is very close to my heart because I love powdery perfume and that is their signature. I grew up on their fragrances because my mom used to wear a lot, and I love this new release. It is super versatile. I know that it will work for any situation, just crowd-pleasing fragrance, so it is very safe to wear to work, to university, just when I don't want to waste my super expensive stuff, but I want something very pleasant that will make me feel super beautiful. I like it really very much. It's perfect for any season, for any time of the day. I like it. I just really love it. Yeah, it is amazing. It is truly wonderful. And the next one is the new fragrance by Kilian that is called Kissing, from the line that they released for mass market, because as you probably know guys, Kilian was sold to Estée Lauder, and that means that their fragrances will be a little bit reformulated, so mass production will be easier, and that actually kills the creativity. But this is how life works when people want to get rich and they get a chance to sell their brand to a big company. They do that because, you know. And this perfume is actually called Kissing, burns 6.4 calories a minute, wanna work out, and guess what? We did work out yesterday with my boyfriend. That was a lot of fun. This is actually how the fragrance itself looks. I kind of like this design. It is unique, and as I first smelled it in the store, I fell in love with it at first sniff. I sprayed it all over, I enjoyed it so much, and as I went out from the store, I had a feeling that I'm smelling of a cloud. I had a feeling that I'm touching a cloud, which is such a satisfying moment. It smells milky, it smells sweet, it smells also fresh and floral. It has some very subtle, delicate green nuances, and it has quite dominant note of vanilla, which smells sugary but not sticky. And the very unique thing about this perfume is actually that it features a note of milk itself and lily of the valley, which doesn't smell metallic, sharp, clean. It smells like Creole, spring flowers and milk. Basically it's like floral milk that comes from the flowers. It is amazing. I love it so much. It is probably my favorite perfume at the moment. It is delicious. It has this vanillic sugar in it, but there are also some light green crispy notes. It is amazing. It is so easy to wear, it is so easy to like, and even though this whole line is quite mainstream and quite you know, like easy to like, crowd pleasing, I still find this more interesting than what designer brands release nowadays. I find that prices are also very affordable. This is a 50 ml bottle and I'm obsessed with it. I can't stop wearing it. So those were my perfume gifts, and as I've told you, I will update you on the other one a little bit later because that was an exciting one and quite unexpected. And I wanted to tell you which perfumes I was wearing yesterday. So we have a tradition with my boyfriend to go to this small Italian restaurant each year on our anniversary. So we did that yesterday, as always, and every time we go there, the food is so delicious that we are like promising each other that we will come there more often, and then guess what? We go there just next year on our anniversary. Anyway, I was wearing Oud Shiny by Montal. This amazing patchouli rose is everything. It is so long lasting, it was noticeable, it was super pleasant. It is just a very luxurious, very expensive scent on its own, but I layered it with my favorite Rosé Aldae by Galaha Fragrances. I have a full review on it, and it smells like delicious plum wine with dark rose and a lot of honey. Super sexy, very delicious, different from Montal, but they went together perfectly and made our evening truly special. And anyway, that completes this video, guys. I hope it was entertaining, informative, you learned something new from it, and if that was the case, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, click that notification bell so you'll be the first one who is updated about my new video. And that's all. Stay tuned, smell good, and we'll see each other in the next one really soon.